Hi sir, hi sir. Yeah, here is guys. Actually, here is a warden. He is the organizer of actually this event.
Thank you, Sir Nudge.
No problem.
Big honor. Thank you for supporting the BJMP.
No problem. Anytime, anytime sir. Yeah, here is guys. Ito mga general. Ito mga malupit. Tulog-tulog sila. Oh, ito no? Ito no? Lagi late. Lagi late, tambiolo, lagi late. Red sweet potato. Lagi late talaga.
So si Mayor guys. Hi sir, hi sir. Good morning, good morning, good morning sir.
Here actually in somewhere in Rizal. Actually we are going to give some relief good here in the barangay. So here is a lineup for officials. So we are only little bit only here, not official. Hi ma'am, hello po, hi po. Yeah, here is mga ma'am. So this is the lineup for today. So actually is it inside? So let's go.
Sir, can I take?
Sure sir. So this is the place actually we are going to do. There are, as you can see, so many relief good and everything. This is actually, where is the place? Hi po. Hi ma'am, hi. So this is actually they are going to do. So here is a feeding program in somewhere in Rizal, and as you know, this is a regional director of. So let's do some charity. So here is a senior citizen. Hi po. Hello po. Hi po. Hi. So here is mga senior citizen with the social distancing. Oh, bigla niya. So let's do. Ito guys, Sir Colonel Bosita. Sir, di ba na lagi ako usap about safety riding? Ikaw nang advocate ng safety riding dito sa buong Pilipinas. So anong mensahe para sa mga riders?
Sa mga kapatid nating riders, unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong cooperation and support sa ating advokasya dahil kitang-kita ko bro yung mabilis na pagbabago sa usapang safety compare doon sa mga nagdaang taon. Napakaraming nadidisgrasya.
Madami.
Yes, pero bago pa nitong nagkaroon tayo ng COVID-19, yung pandemic,
Yes po.
napansin na natin na bumagsak yung bilang ng mga nadidisgrasya sa pagmumotorsiklo. At ito naman nangyari dahil sa support and cooperation ng iba't ibang riders club, riders organization, and of course yung mga individual riders. At syempre yung katulad mo na safety advocate, nakakatuwa na hindi ka naman Pinoy, pero may malasakit ka sa amin sa mga riders dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes po.
Salamat po.
Salamat
mga riders, salamat po sa inyo.
Guys, here is BJMP director. Sir, you are a director and you are a motorcycle rider. I just want to know what you feel as a motorcycle rider and what you can give the advice for the riders.
I would just want to educate the men under me.
Yes.
To always ride safe and always wear
Proper gear.
proper gears.
Proper gear.
Yeah.
That is the best thing, sir.
Yeah.
Best thing. So, marami kayo sa group nyo, sir? Sa riding?
Marami.
Puro BJMP riding
Yeah,
group.
Yeah.
So guys, Facebook page kayo, sir?
He's the president.
Oh, sorry. Oh, here is the president. Sir, yung Facebook page nyo, sir? Meron kayo ng Facebook page?
Yes, we have the Facebook page, Bjmp Riders Club sa Facebook. You can see yung mga activity namin doon.
Okay guys, what you have to do, you just to go and check it out. BJMP Riders Club
Yes.
Facebook page, and like and share, and you can learn so many things.
Yes.
How they actually wear the safety gear. So many things you can learn from the Facebook.
Yes,
So, sir,
yes.
thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Hi guys, here is Sir JM. He is the one who's actually invited us.
Thank you, sir.
It's an honor, sir. It's an honor to attending this kind of thing. Please invite me next time also. All your activities. I will be there. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for inviting.
Lunch tayo, lunch.
Yes, yes, guys. So this is for today, and here is done. And please subscribe to his channel. I will just flash right here. And here is
Again, word of the day, ituring natin na magkakapatid tayong mga riders. Ituring natin.
Ikaw na lang stop ng yung
Arsak.
isa na lang yung end ng vlog ko. Anong gusto mo sabihin ng end ng vlog ko?
Maraming salamat sa sumubaybay sa video na to. Suportahan natin local motovloggers at saka yung mga rider safety advocacy from Colonel Bosita and other vloggers. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Ingat lagi. God bless.